Dare me to open it and take a whiff. I'll do it for a tenner. Oh! 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 Look at the state of my work clothes. Doesn't matter how many times I put them in the wash now, that grease is just not coming out. Once I get back from Download Festival, I'm emptying this entire room. It's going to be my bedroom after that. It's going to be an expensive month next month. Thank God for battery packs, eh? And this one's holding up better than I expected. I charged my camera, this camera, with it twice. Charging these and it's still at 77%. I think I might add toilet seat to the list of things that I want to get. I mean, this one's kind of bog standard. No, I think they're all like standard size, right? I'm gonna get a cool toilet seat. Add some colour to this bathroom. I mean, look. 8 o'clock in the morning on my breakfast break. I'm at McDonald's again. That's the second time this week. Right, it's Thursday, I just got home. Just been taking off all the tape. Seems like the paint, yeah, didn't drip onto the tiles. There's a little bit there. And I screwed up. Look, I don't know if I can place that over the paint. Nah, look, see, I fucked up there. The tape got too much on the tape and it kind of ripped the paint off with it, so I can always go over them again, it's fine. That sucks. See what I mean? When you pull that off, it takes the fucking paint off with it. So I'm gonna have to go over these again. What a pain in the ass. Thing is, it's things like this you learn in hindsight, but hindsight's no good in situations where you're only planning to buy a house once. You have to get it right the first time. Yet, I still don't look anything up, I just do it. I don't go on YouTube and go, how do you paint ceilings? I just do it and then find out later, look, oh yeah, I messed up there. I can relax now. Don't have to upload a video till tomorrow. I've got a half day, so don't have to do it tonight. And yes, I am sat on the toilet. I've finally got a reason to wear this. It's hot out there, I'm gonna grab a drink. Not a cloud in the sky. I would head for the lakes, but don't know. Creepy looking guy holding a video camera near the lakes. They're gonna think I'm one of them. I'm better off up here anyway, there's no people around. God, I hate people. Except you, lovely subscribers. Please like and comment. What? Oh, I can already tell the view is going to be amazing up there today. It's so clear. The only issue is now, there's 2 weeks till Download Festival, and I'm worried we're getting all the nice weather now. I have to be careful, I'm in shorts, and it's tick season. And to ticks, I'm like a prime, like, Wagyu steak. They seem to love me. That's what you want to see, innit? Not me talking about ticks. Do. My house is down there. Should I open my can here or carry on walking? Yeah, you're right, I should. Stop here and open the tin. Thanks, audience, who obviously can't answer me back. All 20 of you that actually watch all the way through. Whack, whack. Me and my friend Matt and Steve, the ones that were in the Manchester vlog a couple of weeks back, where we used to get a rubber dinghy, set off over there with like bags full of alcohol, and we go all the way till we got to Llanrug in the rubber dinghy. Ah, fun times. I'm sure I've got video of that. Actually, I've got video of me and Steve getting off and Matt going off with the current. I'll put that in if I can find it. How big is that? Big. It is. It's quite big. Oh, fucking up. Steve, there's a waterfall right over there! The boys could drown at any moment. Luckily, Ben has a massive stick.
Oh, what?
Shit. That was so shit. Nice. Wait. Nice. Ah, God, it's nice up here. I had a barbecue up here last year because I thought I was moving away. Well, not moving away as in like just like a mile and a half up the road. So I had a barbecue here to like say goodbye to the place, but I ended up staying down there, so I'm actually quite glad that I did. I won't go that way if I was you, because that's where I'm going. In there, I'm going to put my tent. There's ruins of an old house. Imagine living up here. Wow, that'd be incredible. I'm assuming it's a house. It's some kind of building anyway. Nice place. Can imagine before that tree, which is probably a couple 100 years old or 100 years old at least. You get a fuck of a view there. Now there's this great big tree in the way. And you, mate. It's right there, I know you can't move. Oi, oi, oi. Look at that. Imagine your windows open and that's your view. But saying that, it's not ruins of a house, is it? It's like some kind of weird wall that just goes round. Can't see any evidence of an old chimney, and you usually do in these circumstances. Unless it's here somewhere. Nah, it was definitely a house. Look, there's the doorway. There's two separate rooms. I don't know, are they neighbours? Was that their garden? Fuck knows, I'd love to know. God, I wish time travel was possible. Out of my way, you tick-carrying clouds with legs. What are you looking at? And you, get it? And you, what are you looking at? Look at that baby lamb! Has he hurt his leg? Yeah, he's got a hurt leg. Nom 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 nom, give me milk, give me milk. Yeah, he's got like one black patch on him. You're right, mate. Don't worry, I'm not here to twist your niblets. I'm here to save your life. Where did that Me, Myself and Irene quote just come from? Jesus Christ. I haven't seen that film in years. I'm adding that to the list of films I need to watch. I think the camera's proper zoomed in, isn't it? Yep, there we go. Stupid lens. It's about a 10-minute walk from the house. If I didn't stop for a beer. I'm not going down this way, I can't be asked going to Canberra's. I'll be too tempted to get a mixed kebab again. Plus my mate's just been texting me that he just got one. Now I want a mixed kebab. This is where all the camper van douchebags park. Nice and quiet up here today. That won't last long. Proper going for that grass. Hungry fella? I need to turn around. I'm so tempted to go get a mixed kebab, I'm not even joking. Ah, look at that place. Nice drive and everything. You know, if I'd have stuck with this YouTube thing back in 2007 when I started, I could be living there in a box. I've had some very drunken times across this road. I've probably been on this road every hour of the day. Like walking home, walking to, walking from, just walking, running into that wall that used to be broken. I have video of that. I ran and jumped over the wall while there was a sign there. There's the caravan park. Not even got life preserves area. Let's see if I can't. Nobody's out. Oh, it appears I'm in somebody's garden now. I'm gonna turn around, I don't want to disturb anyone. Could have a whole series on my hands here. Wednesday night walks, Tuesday night tins, Monday night moaning, Thursday night thrust. No, not Thursday night thrust. Jesus, nobody wants to see that. Friday night. It's working up to the. Those last two are going up. Thursday and Friday seems to be a Pornhub thing. Jesus, look at all this. Do 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 do. Name the movie. Write it in the comments. Plant sale. Selling tobacco. I won't film it out of respect, but every time I pass that house, I've always wondered where that door goes. It literally goes underground. Fucking awesome, man. Somebody's private property, so out of respect, I'm not going to film it, but I always wondered whether it went underground or what. Like, it's like just like a big shed. Awesome. Oh, there's a house for sale here on Purple Bricks, if anyone's interested. You get to see my sorry ass pass you every now and then, wearing various different hats, talking to myself in various different ways. There was a guy who lived here, up here. He was coming home drunk one night, and he leant over this and fell straight down there. Because he was so drunk and limp, he didn't manage to injure himself. True story. We used to call him John Wayne, and I'll tell you why in a minute when we get to the section of steps. So anyway, the John Wayne story. We used to smoke weed here in the evenings. When in my very early 20s, used to stand here and smoke weed, right? And you got these steps here. And he used to stand at the bottom of them steps after you come back from the pub, because we'd be doing this at night, you know, like about 9, 10 o'clock in the evening. He'd be coming home from the pub. It's now a pizza place, it's not a pub anymore, but he used to stand there like John Wayne. I'm going to see if I can't recreate it somehow. He used to get his bacco out of his pocket, make a roll, smoke it while he was walking up. And as he'd do that, it'd be his last cigarette of that pack of tobacco very often. And he would stuff the empty drum tobacco pack in the walls. And me and my friend one night, we came down here and we started ripping them all out the walls. We found tens of them, like 30, 40, 50, God knows how many we found. And we were stoned and laughing our asses off as we picked them all out of the walls. Another story nobody cares about. You don't have to watch this, you know. There's better things on YouTube. Now I've got myself wondering whether there's still packs of drum in here. I mean, it's been like almost fucking 20 years, but surely somewhere stuffed in this one of these crevices in the wall is a empty pack of drum tobacco. Oh my god, I thought I'd found one then. See how excited I got because I thought I'd actually found one. We couldn't have got them all, there's no way. No. I want to find one so bad. No, just imagine two guys stoned out of their brains pulling tobacco wrappers out of the wall and just pissing themselves laughing. My 20s were ridiculous. Look at that, the old dog shit bin. Dare me to open it and take a whiff. I'll do it for a tenner. Jesus Christ. Why did I do that? I remember before these trees were there. God, I feel old saying that, but it's true. I remember when I was a kid, there was a donkey that used to be here. There was no trees there. Wow, that looks like a cool shade. Awesome place to camp. But yeah, there was a donkey there, and like in the mornings you'd hear it like, oh, oh, oh. Oh, what a perfect day it's been. I'm going to finish it off by doing the washing up. Yep, I left the washing up for over a day. I've run out of my sleepy tea. I can't have decaf tea because I haven't got any milk. Run out of milk. I'll have a hot chocolate. You don't need milk for these. Yes, more sugar, that's what I need. I'm finally getting around to that Michael J. Fox movie Still. Been meaning to watch this for a couple of weeks. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this silly walk that I went on. I'll catch you in the next one.